Hey everybody, this is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and it is New Year's night. First and foremost, I want to wish everybody a Happy New Year. I really truly hope for the best for every single person. Secondly, I want to say thank you. We made it over 200 subscribers. I think we're at 203 for the year. And that's a lot more than I ever hoped for. Thank you for all the comments, all the shares, all the likes, and all the subscribers. I've had a couple of things going on in the last couple of days, and it made me think about, God says in His Word, I believe it's in Joel. I'll insert it in here somewhere. But He says that He will restore the years that the locusts have eaten. I'm going through that restoration right now. And I'm just thankful because the last 5 or 6 years have been really tough for my wife and myself, and yet through this time of trial, God has brought some restoration. I just wanted to share that with you because I want everybody to have hope and encouragement at the beginning of a new year. If your life has not been going very well, God can use some of the things that look the worst to work out for good for you. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.